Hey everybody, this is Erin for Kunin Felt, and today we're going to make some fun bookmarks that can be used with your kids to fit in any size standard book. So what you need is you need a little bit of some ribbon, pick whatever color you like, various colors of Kunin felt, and it can be the premium felt, the classic felt, the corduroy felt, anything is great. For one bookmark, you're going to need 4 of each of the larger circles and smaller circles. Really, truly, any size circle. You could freehand it. You don't even have to do circles. You could do stars, hearts, squares, shapes of fun heads of animals. It could be a Mickey Mouse head. Have a blast with that. I'm just doing simple circles for this, and therefore it becomes very gender neutral. So I can do one that's more pink, more bluish, more primary colors. You can have all kinds of fun with that. The first thing I like to do is I take a little bit of my Beacon Fabri-Tac glue, but just right here, first of all, putting each of the smaller circle on top of the larger circle and having it stick down. At this point, you throw on your first button. I'm just going to use white thread, but you could definitely cater the thread color to whatever you like. I'm going to run the button through about 3 to 4 times on one side, just to make it, and this will also hold the layers together. Go ahead and tie that first button, knot it off. Now come in and sew in your second button, but this time we're not going to knot this off. So tie this around. You want to sew this through about 3 times. Gives good stability between the 2 layers of felt and also the button that is on there. And now we're going to come in with our felt, go around the edge and have good amount of glue going all the way around the felt here. Take your ribbon and go completely through over top of the area right where you sewed that last button on, the previous button. Come in, and now we're going to actually sew and kind of give a little stability and go through the ribbon. Even though there is a little bit of glue, we're just going to secure it all up. So find where the first button is and then secure these together. The glue is going to help hold it all together, and then do a couple of final sew throughs going through both layers, going from one buttonhole all the way through to the other side. Good 3 to 4 little pulls. Come back in and just very lightly tuck your needle back underneath one side of your button. Right through, and then tie a quick knot just underneath, hiding that knot just to secure your thread all the way through. The glue will do its job holding the thread in place, but this is just making sure it doesn't come loose. You could glue this whole thing together. You would not have to sew it. I just think it adds that little bit of stability and also something kind of cool and pretty, a little decorative flair in the middle of that button. You're going to repeat that exact same thing on the other side, and I'm also going to do it so side, but I'm going to speed that up. Huge craft for the kids to do themselves, to learn how to do some very basic sewing, and also that you can be used to give to adults or children as a fun gift, or just to make for yourself. They fit for most books, so you can cater the length of the size of the ribbon depending on the length of the books. I went a little bit longer than the standard size of a easy reader book or a chapter book for my kids' purposes, and so they're all about that same width or length. But you could definitely make them longer or shorter depending on what your kids would like. Thanks so much for stopping by and checking out Kunin Felt. As always, Kunin Felt is made from 100% recycled bottles. Links are down below to where you can find, but most big box craft stores like Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Joann's, and A.C. Moore carry Kunin Felt, and I hope you guys please subscribe. Bye-bye.